Hello, good morning. I'm Preeti Sawant. I'm working as a VP in BNY Mellon, working as an agile transformation agent and the mentor and coach for most of the teams here. The initial was the self-learning mode, wherein it took me through a lot of activities, and it also enabled me on the various techniques of how to embody the mindfulness technique, the tools or techniques which I have learned that has immensely helped me to get into that being in the present and not being too much of into reactive. Enjoyed, I must say, doing those activities, be it is mindfulness meditation or a senses meditation, be it is all those practices and journaling, what it was part and parcel of that. That was really nice, and then it was followed by this cohort based learning, wherein we also learn, share, able to articulate very well. So this overall program I really liked about it, that how it was designed over the period of time, and the few insightful stories which Manish has shared with us, the his experiences. That has immensely gave us the insight that how we should take it ahead and get started on this journey. It is wonderful how he takes us through the journey of storytelling. I think one of the important skill one needs to have it in place. That was really good. How those cohorts are also planned sequentially, and how the sequence I don't know the during that 2 hours of time, that was also beautifully planned. Um, yeah, I think he's a wonderful coach and mentor. I must say no, so no specific feedback on Manish. So yeah.